Okay, what's up guys? I have not vlogged, like picked up the camera and actually like talked to the camera in I don't know, I think it's been like 2 weeks literally. So today is Friday. It's like the end of April. I don't even know the days anymore. This was my second week of no longer working in corporate America. And this week was a doozy, let me tell you, but I will say I wouldn't change it or trade it for the world. This week, actually Sunday night, the beginning of this week, my youngest, she started running a fever. And then on Monday, my oldest got sent home from school. So today is Friday. And today was the first day that we actually got outside. My youngest, who's 2.5, she has been sick literally with a fever the whole entire week. And if you guys have kids and they're like, you know, when they get sick, it is like, I mean, it's like the attention, it's constant. And like, she didn't want to, my youngest didn't want to do anything. She just wanted to like lay around. She like never gets sick. She definitely never runs a fever. So it was quite the week, let me say. But I will just say that I am again like so grateful that I got to be home with both of my girls like while they were sick. The weirdest thing ever, they have never been sick at the same time, like where they couldn't go to daycare and they couldn't go to school both at the same time. This was the first time, which is just like kind of a little bit ironic that it's like I quit my job and then that happens, where I don't know, it's just like bizarre. And also the fact that like had I been actually working this week, I would have had to take 4 days off because my daughter, my youngest, she was running a fever Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Literally she wouldn't have been able to go to daycare anyways. So that's, yeah, just kind of crazy and interesting that, yeah, that happened. And so like I said, it's just been a blessing that I was able to be home with both of them. And that's my dream. My dream is to be, you know, like I love being home with my girls. And I like, there's 1 more month left of school for my oldest, and then it's going to be summer, and I can't wait because then she'll be here, you know, half of the time because I share custody of her. And so I just can't wait to have a summer with both of my girls. That makes my mama heart so happy. I can't even put it into words. So just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. Also, something so exciting, a little fun fact about me, and maybe you do this as well, but so anytime there's like a drawing to like enter your name into, or like anything where you could potentially win something, I will always enter my information in, because why literally, why not? Like, why wouldn't you? You know, it takes like a minute. So last Sunday I was working out, and at our gym I like went to use the restroom. On the back of the door it said entered to win basically 4 tickets to a baseball game that's here local to where I live. And then if you win, your kid, like if they win, they get to throw out the first pitch. And let's see, it was 2 nights ago I got an email that we won. I literally couldn't believe it. So this weekend I'm so excited. The 4 of us, me, my husband, my 2 daughters, we get to go to a baseball game, which is something we've never done. We've actually talked about it like a few months ago. We talked about like, oh, wouldn't it be really fun to go to the team here where we live and see a baseball game with the girls and take them. And yeah, and then so we get to go to a baseball game. My oldest she's 8.5. She gets to throw out the first pitch, which is like, I don't know, that's like a once in a lifetime experience. Like, who gets to do that? I don't know. I was like so excited, and I'm just like so excited for her that she'll like get to have this like fun fact about her that when she was 8 years old she got to throw out the first pitch at a baseball game. Like, how cool is that? So just a friendly little reminder, you know, if you see like a drawing or something, like go sign up for that, put your name into it, because you just literally never know. Like, I don't win like hardly anything ever, and so I don't know, I'm just like, okay, the vibes are high, the alignment is there, like we won, let's go. I love this energy. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be up to this weekend. I'll probably vlog more early next week and then kind of put this all in a video together, but just wanted to hop on and kind of update you with how the second week has gone, because I wasn't able to get any YouTube videos out this week just because it has been in full mom mode with 2 sick kiddos. So it's been a little bit hectic, a little bit crazy in this household. Happy end of April. I have been busy. We have been sick. I have been vlogging off and on and can't even remember the last thing that I filmed or set to the camera. But hello, I'm really going to try to edit this video soon because tomorrow is May 1st and I really would like to get a video up soon. Also, I have not forgot about the spring cleaning series. Still in the middle of that. I actually have the, what is it, the third video filmed. I just need to edit it, you guys. It's been absolutely insane. Kids have been sick, I've been sick, busy, and yeah, I kind of thought once I quit my job I would have like way more time to film, and it's only been, this is now the 3rd week, so I gotta give myself a little bit of grace. I gotta put the dishes away, so I figured I'd talk to the camera, but it's only been like 3 weeks. And well, this is the end. Is this the end of the 3rd week? Yeah, this is the end of my 3rd week. And yeah, it's been a little bit crazy, but loving it. It's been very busy. I have been doing so much, like in regards to oh my gosh, I can't even like think straight right now. In regards to like content creation, I started like a TikTok and I've been posting a lot over there. I've been posting a lot on like YouTube shorts. I've started another channel. I am working more on my Etsy shop. You guys, if you have the ability, the capability to quit your 9-to-5 job, strongly recommend, because I now am doing the things, I know I'm like all over the place. I am now doing the things that I have been wanting to do for such a long time. And it's almost like I need to have a little bit more structure. It's almost like my brain is like, because it's like I want to do all of these things. I have all of these business ideas and there's literally not enough time in the day. But I love it. Like it's great. I'm tired and exhausted by the end of the day, but like in a very good way, not in like a burnt out way. It's literally like I go to bed and I'm wishing that I had more mental energy to give, because like I want to keep going, and I literally wake up the next day and I'm like, I can't wait for like the next day. And it's so cool. It's crazy. And like I just have to like be patient with myself, because I'm like, okay, I'm doing all these things, and it's like I'm getting kind of slow traction. I'm getting like slow traction on all of them. And I just need to remind myself, okay, it's only been 3 weeks, but it's so exciting. Like if you have a goal and you want to do something, like put in a little bit of work like every single day towards your goal or towards multiple goals. I am putting in a little bit of work every single day towards like 50 things right now, like maybe not literally 50, but 5 or more. And it's so cool. I don't know. It's like, it's so cool. It's crazy. And I'm loving it. So yeah, I think once I have more to share, I will be sharing more kind of on this channel of like things that I've done, or like, yeah, just things that I've done and things that are like kind of in the midst and in the works and happening, but it's so exciting. But I just wanted to come on and say like, sorry that the videos haven't been like rolling out. I'm really going to try my hardest to get through this spring cleaning series that I promised you guys, and then after that kind of get back to my like usual like clean with me content or vlog style content. If you do follow along over on my shorts, I've been posting a lot of like short form videos over there, also on my TikTok, which is linked. Just other things that I'm super interested in, such as like I don't know, like kind of like manifesting your dream life, you know, because I truly believe that that's what I did, and just different kind of like motivational things, I suppose. Just like, honestly, what I've been doing, you guys, is like, these are thoughts, just like random thoughts that I always have and that I'm constantly thinking about. And one day I was like, why don't I just start like getting my camera out? I'm on my phone all the time anyways. I might as well just start like talking to the camera and then posting this and see if other people resonate with it. Turns out they do, and it's been great, and I'm so excited to see like where this kind of takes me and where we go. I grew my YouTube channel by like 100 subscribers in like 12 days. That's, or no, it was like 18 days. That's never happened to me. I've never had that amount of growth, and it's literally been since I quit my 9-to-5 job, and I've seen the most growth I've ever seen before. And it's like on the trajectory to like do even more faster, which is great, and like that's my dream. And so yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to come on. Like I said, I'm gonna put this and some of the other clips that I've got together. Just wanted to come on and kind of give you guys a little update. Tomorrow's May 1st, so I think I might try to get this up tonight or tomorrow. So anyways, happy May. More to come. And yeah, I'm just so excited, and I hope that I can help people. That's always been the goal and my dream, is I really love helping people in any way that I can, whether it's cleaning their house, organizing, decluttering, being any sort of like motivation or motivational or inspirational or whatever. I feel like helping people is like the greatest gift, and it's how we can kind of like, as human beings, we can give back to other people. And I think that that's what we're here for, is to like learn from each other. And we've all been through our own unique experiences, and we can all learn from each other and share, you know, share what we've learned so we can help other people. And that's what I'm very much looking forward to do. So anyways, okay, I'm gonna stop now. I need to put these dishes away. Oh, I'm making sourdough for our neighbors, actually. I'll show you guys really quick, because you guys know that I love sourdough. So I make sourdough for our neighbors every once in a while. So that's just doing the last proof. And then I also made these, don't mind my sweatshirt on the ground. I also made these sourdough hamburger buns, because we are going to be grilling hamburgers tonight. Look at how amazing these look. So proud of myself. That is something else that has been really nice, is that I have the time now. I have the time to like learn new recipes. Last week, I made carrot cake for the first time, and I know that sounds probably like silly to a lot of you, but I had never done that before. And I was like, we had these leftover carrots, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna like give it a shot. I might as well try. And I did, and it was amazing. And then my husband got to take some to like his coworkers at his work because like we can't eat a whole sheet of carrot cake. But yeah, I'm just like ecstatic because these are the things that I wanted to do, you know, for so long, and I finally get to do them. And like, I don't know, it's so cool. And I just feel like so like grateful and just like, I don't know, beyond ecstatic and beyond happy that we, you know, me and my husband got to this point where I was able to quit my corporate job that was, you know, making me so anxious and filling me with dread every single day. And I was just hating it and I was unhappy, and we figured it out, you know, like we found a way. And my hope and pray is that I can continue on with my little side businesses and side projects, that one day, you know, hopefully soon my husband can also quit his 9-to-5 job that he's very unhappy in, and then he can go and live, you know, and do what he loves to do. He loves to go fishing, and that's my dream, you know. And then of course to just kind of pass down whatever we can to our kids and just live a happy, simple life that we love and that we're like genuinely happy in. That's the goal. That's the ultimate goal. That's like dream life, right? So, okay, I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, subscribe, like this video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.